All right, brothers and sisters, Broseph and Broseph Juniors. We got an unboxing, man. Yo, I've been liking the Supreme accessories this season. I've been copying a lot of accessories lately, like Pat from Palace, like air freshener and stuff like that. I haven't been showing off, but I had to show off this one. See a little box damage right here. It doesn't really matter because we no resale boys over here. So yeah, man, this is a Supreme Heller Max bowl set. So this is like the description right here. Max bowl, 6 stacking bowls. Designed by Massimo Vignelli, Heller, Westport, Connecticut, 06880. And then this is like the side of the box. Style code, everything like that. This is upside down. If you wanna look at that. And then on the side right here, it's like that. And yeah, man. So we're gonna unbox this together. You know, see how this looks like. Okay. It's all wrapped nicely. Get this cover off. Ooh, this is real nice. It's not plastic. It's like real sturdy. Like clay almost. It's not like, you know, I'm not gonna tap it, but it's really nice. Of course, it has a Supreme branding, like that. I'm gonna take each one out. Take the wrapping off. There's 6, and I guess it's supposed to make the word Supreme. So this is the E right there. And then that's wrong. So let me take everything out real quick, and I'm gonna, you know, stack it up so that it spells Supreme. So take this out, take that out, get out. All right, so this is trash right here. So this is gonna be the E, and then this is gonna be Supreme, so this is gonna be like that. Yeah, like that, Supreme. So it's gonna be, that's the last one. And then this is gonna be like that. So you guys see right there. And then it's gonna be this one and that. Arrange it nicely like that. Is there a chip on there? Oh my God, like quality control and Supreme stuff is abysmal. But this is how it looks and everything. So yeah, Supreme. So it's spelled Supreme like that. So yeah. So this is a box, and then yeah, the bowl set, right, like that. So yeah, man, hopefully you guys like this unboxing. There's some branding right there too. And yeah, man, see you guys in the next one. Spread peace, not hate.